Okay, we just got off the bus and we're on the way to IKEA.
We just got off our Mercedes-Benz. Just kidding.
As you can see in the video, I was overly excited to be in IKEA for the first time. We don't have IKEA in the Philippines, so as soon as I heard that there's IKEA in Korea, I set a day for a visit to IKEA. We took a bus as advised by our friend because there are buses that stops right in front of IKEA, so that's the most convenient way to go there. And another tip is that don't ever go there during the weekends because it's packed with people. So anyway guys, this is a video that's kind of lengthy. So if you've never been to an IKEA store, I know you'll enjoy this. I will be taking you around. But if you're sawang-sawa na with IKEA, better you guys opt out na lang from this vlog because it's just basically my first time in IKEA and all the things that you can see in IKEA and all the things that you can shop in IKEA. And since Chris and I are building our new home, we are trying to look for furnitures that we can put in the house. So we are checking and looking for inspirations in IKEA, and we are so excited for IKEA to open in the Philippines. I think late this year? Anyway, without further ado, let me just take you around the IKEA store here in Korea. Nice.
안 좋으니까. 옷 같은 경우는 라벨 산토가리에 대한 검정도 받은 유아 쪽 올라있는
So we are at the floor. We are at the home stuff. Sobrang laki. Mason jars. More mason jars for our herbalism class. Can't wait for IKEA to open in the Philippines. Sobrang daming choices. Like office stuff. You basically skip the furnitures and lighting and whatever big stuff that we know we can't buy and bring over anyways. So we are here at the office stuff where there are a lot of smaller things that we can buy.
What's a good video for that?
For what?
This one, what do you think?
Yeah.
This nice na?
Mm-hmm.
Tapos dito ka mag-makeup.
Pwede. What?
It's like this one, look. Then you charge it on USB. But of course it's going to take long.
Hmm. Sucker for novelty.
Mas matagal to.
Yeah.
124. So, do we need it?
You can have it.
No. Oh, wow. Ganda lang pa. Lavender.
Yeah. Smells good. And we reached the pet area. Cute. Hmm.
Oh, this is your bed.
How much is it? Oh wow. 2, 3.
Fine lang.
Okay.
Self-serving drink.
Yeah, so this is the other floor. Oh, cute.
to, ito kailangan mo ba?
No. Another tip, bring your own eco bag when shopping in Korea. Okay, we're done. We're going home. Bye. Hey, so we just did a little shopping. Chris did a lot of shopping.
No, I did.
Yeah, he did. And we bought some stuff from IKEA, usually para sa mga pets.
Let's go.
And now we're on the way back, trying to find the subway para makauwi kami. Yay! Anyway guys, I guess that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Oh my god, he's crossing. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Yay!